Are you ready for spring? Spring is a great time to declutter and do some organizing projects. And that's what we're going to talk about today here on Get Organized with Jody. Hi, I'm Jody Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I love spring. Spring is a great time to tackle organizing projects. Of course, as a professional organizer, I don't think there's a wrong time to tackle organizing projects, but in today's video, we're going to focus on some projects that are ideal for doing in the springtime. So let's dive right in with our first category, and that's outdoor projects. So in the springtime, this is a great time to do some organizing projects such as putting away your snowblower, gassing up the lawnmower. Make sure you top off all the fluids. If you need to service your lawnmower, this is the time to do it. And it's also the time to buy any charcoal or propane that you might need for your grill because it's time for grilling season. Yum. Other outdoor projects include removing storm windows and doors. Make sure you take a Sharpie and label what room each window or door came from to make it easy to identify next time you need them. This is a good time to wash your windows and put window screens up. It's also the ideal time to check your garden hoses for leaks and work on updating your landscaping. It is also a time for home maintenance projects. Here are some things that you could tackle in the springtime. Change your air filters, and if necessary, consider cleaning out your air ducts if it's been several years. Inspect your foundation for any cracks. Recaulk your tubs and showers. Check the roof and clean out the gutters. Although I recommend hiring someone and letting them do that for safety. Go with an expert. Here's some more home maintenance projects. Change the batteries in your smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector and be sure to test them after you change the batteries. An ideal way to remember when to change the batteries in your smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector is to tie it to something that we already do. In this case, when the clocks change. So we spring forward in the springtime, we fall back during the fall, and that's a great way to remember to do this activity. The weekend that we change our clocks is the best weekend to also change the batteries. Wash all your winter bedding before storing it away for the season, and that includes things like flannel sheets. And catch up on any painting projects that you might have. Let's go on to our next category, the kitchen. Springtime is a great time to do some spring cleaning in your kitchen. Check your cabinets, shelves, and the refrigerator for expired food items. Pitch any cans or containers that are dented or expired, and take your remaining cans and arrange them by grouping like items together. Clean out your refrigerator, your oven, your microwave, and your toaster oven. Get everything nice and spiffy. Clean out your junk drawer. And take items and store them based on the frequency of use, making sure to place your less used items further away. You want to have easy access to the things you use the most. And closets. I love organizing closets in the springtime. Remove any winter clothing from your closets and drawers. Lay them out on a bed or large surface area where you can review them all. Throw away any torn or stained clothing that's beyond repair, and donate clothes that aren't in your current size. Group your like items together, and if you have multiples, pick your two favorites and donate the rest. Donate any clothing that's unflattering or in a color that you hate. Rotate the remaining clothing to the back of your closet and store them with off-season clothing if that's an option. I hope this has inspired you to do some spring organizing at your house. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletters and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.